Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn basic sofa just to understand the transformation, rotation and mirror group etc. Let's continue. To create a sofa, I'll go to standard primitives drop down and I'll go to extended primitives. So in this extended primitives, I'll select chamfer box. Draw chamfer box on top viewport, then go to modify panel, change this length to 24 inch, width 24 inch and height 10 inch. Fillet 1 or 1.5 also you can give, and fillet segment make it 5. Okay, you can go to smooth highlight and you can give this edged faces so that you can see these edges. These are the segments and this is the rounded sides you can see. This is the fillet radius of 1. Whatever the dimensions I am giving, these are the more or less standard sofa sizes, sofa dimension. So you can use this dimension, it will be accurate. Now select this move tool or press W on your keyboard. From this front viewport, press shift and drag this up so that you get a copy of it. Select this copy, press OK. Place it properly. Little overlapped you can keep so that it will look cozy. And reduce the height. Only height you reduce to 4. Okay. Now select this bottom box. Press shift to make copy. Drag it right side. 1 copy. And reduce this width to 6 inches and height 20 inches. Place it properly. This is going to be my hand rest. Okay. Again I am just copying this hand rest to left side just by pressing shift. Take 1 copy here. Place it properly. Now select this bottom box, right click on top viewport. If you want to activate any viewport, you can just right click on it and take a copy at the back. Press copy. Now here you reduce this length to 6 inches and make the height around 33 inches. You can make it 33, 30, backrest can be of variety sizes, so you can take it. From this left viewport, I'll rotate it a bit. This is the rotate tool. E is the shortcut. I'll rotate it like this. And I can move it inside. Okay. So this is my single seater sofa. I can make legs for it. I can select and go to standard viewport, standard primitives, and you can select box. Length 2 inch, width 2 inch and height also 2 inch. Move it down. You can, in the Z axis, you can write minus 2 inch. Now make a copy of it by pressing shift. and then select the other leg by pressing Ctrl and another set of copy. Just a little inside you keep. Okay, now I'll group everything. Select all the objects, go to group, click on group, give name single seater. Always give name, it will be helpful. Now I'll take a copy of this whole sofa, press shift and take one copy. Now I'll rotate this one. This is my rotate tool. E is the shortcut. I can rotate the object with the different axes. Like this is x-axis, this is z-axis, and this is y-axis. So I just press Ctrl Z. Any axis you can select and you can rotate. And you can rotate with angle snap toggle. This is the angle snap toggle. If you switch it on, it will be in blue color. Right click on this angle snap toggle and change this angle to 90 degree. Now if I rotate it in this top viewport, if I rotate it with the Z axis, which is blue in color, slowly you rotate. If you rotate like this, it will keep on rotating at 90 degree angle, each and everything. So I just rotate it here 90 degree. Okay. So I select this one. I'll make one 3-seater sofa out of this single seater. So to do that, I'll open the group. Go to group, don't do ungroup, just open the group. So you just select this one side and I just move it little this way. And now I select this bottom box and I'll increase the width to 72 inches. 72, that means 3-seater, 24 into 3, and move and place it like this. Now for the backrest also I'll increase this width to 72 inches. Again move and place. If you are not comfortable in this perspective view, you can just, as a beginner, you should do it from the top viewport. Okay, select any orthographic viewport like top or front and do it like that. Now for this seat I will not increase the size, I'll just copy it. I'll take 2 copies and place them. And this handrest also, drag and place it here. Now after finishing this 3-seater, we can just copy legs also. Just select the legs. Select like this by pressing Alt, deselect the objects you don't want. I just have selected these 2 legs and I press shift. I can have one copy here and another copy this side. And place them. So once you have done this 3-seater, you can just go to group and close the group. Okay, so now this is a group again. Now I want another single seater here. For that I'll do mirror. This is the mirror tool. So for mirror, again I just go to top viewport. See, this towards y-axis I need one mirror object. So I go to mirror, select this y-axis and select copy. Press OK and place it like this. Now I draw a plane. Just eye estimation, I'm drawing this plane. This plane will work as my floor. But as you know, as you see that I have given this 2-inch leg at -2, so I keep this plane also at -2 inches. Okay. Now I draw one C extension. Go to extended primitives, select the C extension and switch on this snap toggle. Right click on snap toggle, select this end point. Other points you don't need. Select this end point and keep it on. From top viewport, draw it like this. Click and drag. Release on this point, show up and show thickness. By chance if your C extension doesn't look like this, don't worry, you just draw it and then go to modify. Here you change the length, back length, side length, front length. Here I don't need to change because it is snapped with the plane. Here I'll change the width only. So all the width I'll make 5 inches. And height will be 120 inches. 120 inch means 10 feet height. Okay. So this is going to be my sofa and a room. Hope you have understood this much today's work. Please practice this sofa. Next class I'll do something else like chair or cabinet. These things I'll do. Okay. Thank you for watching.